In this video, we're going to go over what the Bitcoin halving is and how it affects the Bitcoin's price when it happens. One of the most pivotal events on Bitcoin's blockchain is a halving, when the supply of new Bitcoins and the reward for mining them is cut in half. Each halving reduces the rate of inflation and, as a result, pushes the Bitcoin price upward. As of 2022, Bitcoin miners, or people who use their computers to participate in Bitcoin's blockchain network as a transaction processor and validator, are awarded 6.25 Bitcoins for each block they successfully mine. The next halving will occur in 2024 when the block reward will fall to 3.125. Over time, the impact of each halving will diminish as the block reward approaches zero. So with Bitcoin, there's only 21 million Bitcoin available to be mined, and there's already about 19 million mined. So at each halving, it keeps getting cut down and down and down until eventually all 21 million Bitcoins are mined, and then all the Bitcoin will already be in circulation and there will be no more mining for Bitcoin. Key takeaways. A Bitcoin halving event occurs when the reward for mining Bitcoin transactions is cut in half. Halvings reduce the rate at which new coins are created and thus lower the available amount of new supply, even as demand increases. Previous halvings have correlated with intense boom and bust cycles that have ended with higher prices than before the event. Bitcoin last halved on May 11th, 2020, resulting in a block reward of 6.25 BTC. The final halving will be in 2140 when the number of Bitcoins in existence will reach the maximum supply of 21 million. So now let's look at how it affects the price. Why does the Bitcoin halving matter? Bitcoin halving is usually accompanied by a lot of turmoil for the cryptocurrency. As a result of the halving cycle, the supply of Bitcoin decreases, raising the value of Bitcoins yet to be mined, and with such changes comes the opportunity to profit. On November 28, 2012, when the price of BTC was around $12, the first halving took place. 1 year later, Bitcoin had risen to nearly $1,000. The second halving occurred on July 9, 2016, and Bitcoin's price plummeted to $670 at the time, but rose to $2,550 by July 2017. Bitcoin reached an all-time high of about $19,700 in December that year. Bitcoin's price was $8,787 at the time of the most recent halving in May 2020, and it exploded in the months following. So if you have been in crypto a while, you can kind of see that all the dates of the Bitcoin halvings has kind of been what catapulted the entire cryptocurrency market into a massive bull run. For pretty obvious reasons, obviously supply and demand. The less Bitcoin that is getting mined, then with more demand, then there's less supply. Obviously, the price is going to shoot up. The next bull run is going to be in 2024. So that's why a lot of people are predicting that the next bull run for crypto will be in 2024. One of the things that is so valuable about Bitcoin is that there's only a limited supply. That's why a lot of people call it the digital gold, because there's only 21 million that are in existence that are ever able to be mined. You will never go over 21 million Bitcoin. So that is why Bitcoin is so valuable. The estimated number of Bitcoins that have been lost. Since its introduction in 2009, Bitcoin has grown to become the most popular as well as the most commonly used cryptocurrency in the world. However, there are certain challenges that all Bitcoin investors have to face. One of these challenges is the loss incurred while trading or buying Bitcoin. Since Bitcoin is a digital asset, it is more common for investors to misplace or forget what they have purchased. As a matter of fact, research reveals that until 2022, 4 million Bitcoin, or the equivalent of USD 140 billion based on current pricing, had been irreversibly lost. That is an incredible sum of money, and it exemplifies how precarious an investment in Bitcoin may be in its current state. So with only 21 million Bitcoin will ever be available to be in circulation, and in 2022, 4 million Bitcoin were already lost and not able to recover. So it's like people just lost their keys and you're unable to get into that wallet no matter what. So that is what makes Bitcoin so scarce and why Bitcoin is so valuable. And that'll be it for this video. Thanks for watching.